Okay, good morning. In the previous session, we discussed about the different filter transformation. Now we are going to know about the rank transformation. What is a rank transformation? Here, the rank transformation is an active and connected transformation. Already you know very well about the active. Here, this is a filter transformation. That means, for example, employee data, particular employee data you will get the employee salary. These are all different steps for creating the rank transformation. Here what is these are all the sessions. Finally you go to the uh, Informatica workstation. How can you do the rank here? For example, employee salary. From the employee salary I want to get the top 10 employee salary. For that one I'm going to creating this transformation. Here go to first go to repository, connect the repository. In the repository connect to the Scott user, creating the folder, the program name 6, let us assume program p6, or you may change the any name. That is a main purpose here, the rank transformation. Ranking the top salary, for example ranking the bottom, the least salary ranking also you may take, top salary ranking also you may take. For that purpose you are using the rank transformation. Here I created a program 7 in a repository manager. Next connect to the designer, connect to the admin, the Scott. You are going to connecting to the Scott user, Scott password tiger program 7. Go to program 7. Yes, this is a program 7. Here go to sources, getting the data from the employee. For that one already previously created Rama data source, username Scott, the owner itself is a Scott, password tiger, connect to that one. And then here you have a, I am getting the employee data, employee table. This is a employee table. The source analysis over. Next go to warehouse designer. In the warehouse designer you will creating the target, drag and drop the source data from the target source data to the target. Here in this case I'm going to giving the ranking. That's why the employee data now change the name. How can you change the name? For example, I'm changing name as a target P7. Okay, apply. Okay, and then generate and execute this one. Why? Because you have to connect this table to the Scott user. That's why uh, generate and execute, and then Rama username Scott, password tiger. Yes, connect this one, existed, and then close. Now verify that one, it is existed in a Scott user or not. Go to username Scott, password tiger, connect this one, select star from program target P7. Yes, no row selected, but the table existed in a Scott user, but data not not there now. Then go to mapping. You are going to creating the mapping. What is the necessity of mapping here? Connecting the source, linking the source and target table in a mapping. Yes, go to EMP table, drag and drop EMP table, drag and drop EMP table. The next drag and drop target table. Here going to connecting the source table with the target table. Here we have a source table, you have a target table. The source table name here is a EMP. Here source qualifier. What is the source qualifier? By using the source qualifier you can pass the data from the source state to target. Then go to the transformation, give a name to the transformation as a rank, the P7 underscore rank transformation. Rank transformation, click on create. Yes, the transformation created, that's rank. Already there is a rank index is there. That means 1 2 3, like that it is giving here. That means one separate column for this one. Drag and drop, pass the all values from here, and then apply the condition here. What is the condition here? You have a top or bottom. I am going to retrieving the employee record from the top top 5 salaries, employee record top 5. That's why I'm selecting the top 5. In this top 5, what is the rank here is a, I am clicking the input port, output port, finally rank port is there. For the rank port, salary rank port, I am clicking. If you want to place any department wise, you may click the group by, apply. I'm not presently I'm not group buying, apply, and then pass everything from the source to target table. And that means we will pass the transformation to target table. That means in this way, that means how can you use the condition in this rank here? That means top, I need to get the top 5 salaries, most 5. Top 5 means, yeah, see here, the top button, and then I'm going to click in the salary as a rank. Based on the salary, you are giving the rank to this one. Top 5 salary, validate mapping. Okay, mapping ready. Validate mapping, save the mapping. Next, execute this mapping. For executing this mapping, go to workflow manager, connect to the workflow admin, connect to the admin. Not, it's a password invalid one. That means get the password. Same password tiger. Connect this one. Yes, connected. Next, go to program 7. Existed or yes, program 7 existed. Yes, go to tools. The task developer. In the task developer, you will creating the different tasks. We'll have a 3 different tasks are there. Sessions. Why I'm taking the session command, and then other one here is a email. For executing any mapping, you require sessions, and then map to the session to mapping. And then next, connect relational, going to creating the objects. Here objects may be P7A one object. That means going to the connection, under the connection there is a relation, click on relation, and then creating the these object in this way. Next, second object. What is the second object? For example, P7B. P7B is the second object. Username, Scott, password, tiger, connect string, Oracle. Connect string, Oracle, and then OK. Connect string, Oracle, and then OK. Yes. Objects ready. Connect these objects source and target table. P7A, P7B. Yes. Objects creates P7A, P7B ready. Connect these objects to this one. Go to mapping, source qualifier. Connect this one to source qualifier. Here P7A. P7A for the source table, and then apply P7B for the target table. P7B. P7B for the target table. Apply this P7B object to target table. Yes, very important one. Target load type is a normal. Why? Because you applied the primary key condition. If you apply any condition, take that one. Next, go to the work workflow designer. There you will creating the workflow. The workflow name convention. With the help of workflows, by linking the workflow with the session, you will execute the program. Next, drag and drop the session. Now you are going to go to task, link the workflow with the session. Validate this workflow. Yes, it is a valid one. Yes, it is a valid workflow. And then next, save that one. Next, start the work. This one, start this session. Yes, if you start that one, yes, it is succeeded running and then succeeded. That means it executes successfully. That means you get the different ranks of an employee. I got the top 5, most top 5 employee ranking. That means top 5 salary employee. The first salary 5,000, second salary 4,000, third salary 3,000, like that. Most top 5 salary here. Okay, the target 707, target P7 from target P7, target P7. Yes, you got a top 5 rank employee. For setting the line size, Yes, said that one. Select star from P7. Yes, you got a top five. The first one is a 5,000, second one is a 3,000, third rank also 3,000, fourth rank 2,900 salary, fifth rank like that. The employee salaries are, these are all employee salaries. These are all top five employee salaries. In this way, you will get the rank. That means in order to getting the top five or bottom five salary, that means another way visualizing the result. Here, preview the data, select the source, data source, and then username Scott, password, Tiger, and then this one. Yes, this is a top five salary employee details. Okay, thank you.